So guys, lithium setups and upgrades in Victron, Red Arc, all sorts of different systems out there these days. And what we want to have a conversation with you about is this client come to us with one of his batteries actually had started to fail, which also had gone through a situation to have a problem where it also had a DC-DC charger, solar regulator and everything like that in it. So being the battery manufacturer it is, and we'll open this back up again, but the manufacturer, we were able to work with the manufacturer and speak to them, and they were able to take the battery back and bring the battery back to life, but the components for that battery no longer consist of being internally in the battery. So we've gone through and done a Victron setup on this one here. We've put through the buck 50 amp DC-DC charger, put a 75 amp regulator into it, also put a servo system in it, and also a 7.5 inch screen to show everything, and also the Victron shunt. So with that being working wise, and we'll go through and throw some stuff in here to show you, but what we're trying to say is upgrading your systems is quite easy. If you've already got systems in your van, come down and see us, guys, because there's all stuff, things that can work with. But what I'll do is I'll chop it off here, we'll jump inside with Matt, and we'll show you the servo system and how easy it is to work this system now that we've gone to a system where you control it off the one main control panel. So guys, as we spoke about upgrading this system, so this gentleman before had a system in here which with the batteries had a small little multi-controls screen, which was very hard to use, very hard to understand. We've removed that and still plugged it into the batteries, but we've taken it out to his battery compartment, and we've gone through and put the 7.5 inch screen with the Victron servo unit coming through here. So now the system is, the gentleman can physically see all his wattage coming in, see his battery percentage, going through to where he can actually slide across control panels, go through and see everything from that there to work through, turning inverters on and off from the one screen here, making sure we can get stuff done, charges, knowing his limits, and even going back into situating himself where he can actually go in and look at every control unit from a DC-DC charger, what it's charging. His multi-plus unit, which is his physical charger, and also his inverter. He's also got the scenario being he's got a 75 amp MPPT Victron solar rig, so we can go into this sort of stuff and document how much amperage. So all in the one spot now, he can go and find this and make sure he can be able to use it. And the other thing we like to do with our clients is we physically can have this once it's on the internet. We can help you external. So whilst you are traveling around Australia, something we can help you with. So guys, if this is stuff that you want to do, upgrades, fittings, systems, to major systems, to minor systems, come down and see the guys at Sandgate Auto Electrics. Appreciate your time. Have a good day. Thank you.
AllBrand Caravans. AllBrand Caravans.